JB from JB's World here. We got the trunk popped, so you know got something going on. Got the M70 Yugoslavian underfolder here. No hand grip. That's because we're going to put the M4 style mission adjustable hand grip made by Magpul Industries on the Yugo MK. Stick around. Okay, here it is. The Magpul Industries MIAD grip on the Ace Industries adapter for the AK-47. This thing couldn't be any simpler, guys. You got your grip, you got your adapter. It takes a little bit of work for the M70 to make sure your nut goes in there, but it seals in nice and tight, and this thing goes right in. I'll show you what all the cutting I had to do for this preferable fit, but other than that, that's my grip. Switch over here and show you the install. Laid out the M70, ready to go. Press and seal all your parts nice and tight. I put a washer on my bolt. Drop the bolt down all the way into the MIAD grip. Press it through. Tricky part is, at least on this AK, seating the grip so that the bolt runs into the threading good. Try not to take up the shot here, but hold it in place. Give it a few dozen turns. Glad to have you guys with me. A lot of stuff going on lately. Plenty to do with this AK, and another thing coming in. Palmetto State Defense, the PSD-15 rifle. I'm looking around my trunk here and just happened to see all this stuff. PSD-15 rifle from Palmetto State Defense. You're going to be seeing a lot of that. AR-15 style platform. This is also brought to you in part by Sheepdogs Inc. These guys, they've got your gear for the protectionist culture we all enjoy with our firearms and our liberty here in this country. God bless it. God bless you guys for tuning in to JB's World. Been gone for a little while, but now we're back. Like to hand tighten it. Hope I didn't bust the thread. Looks pretty sturdy to me. And here we are. M4 style grip on your Yugoslavian underfolder. Kind of flush there. Can use a little work. Maybe with a glove would be more comfortable.